Myself, Aditya Chinke, and I'm here to speak on the topic of the SQL. So today date is 1st of November 2022. So let us see what is the SQL. So the SQL stands for the Structured Query Language, and it is used for storing and managing the data in the relational database management system, which is also known as the RDMS. So it is it is an standard language for the relational database system, and it enables the user to create, read, update, and delete the relational database and tables. So all the RDMS, RD, also RDBMS or MySQL informs Oracle, MS, Access, and SQL Server uses SQL as their standard database language. So the SQL allows users to query the database in an number of ways using English English like statements. So the SQL has some rules in it, such as the rule is that structure query language is not a case sensitive. Generally, keywords of SQL are written in the uppercase. Then, second one is the statement of the SQL are dependent on the text lines, and we can use a single SQL statement on one or more multiple text lines. Then, using the SQL statements, you can perform the most of the actions in a database. The SQL depends upon the tuple relation, calculus, and relational algebra. So now we will see the SQL process. So when an SQL command is executing from an RDMS, then the system figure out the best way to carry out the requirement, and SQL engine determines that how to interrupt how to interpret the task. And in this process, various components are included, and these components can be optimized and query engine or query dispatcher or classics, etc. And all the non-SQL queries are handled by the classic query engine, but SQL query engine won't handle the logic files. So in this way, this is all about the SQL database. Thank you.